I picked him up. And now that I picked him up, everything is just fine. He's not any verklempt.
He said no photography, please.
I feel like I'm in a kung fu movie. Feet flying everywhere. Save the baby.
Granny.
What?
It's Granny. Whoa. Whoa.
Stop, Steph. Stop. Before you hurt the baby.
Yes, Stephanie.
Oh, so sleepy.
Stop, Stephanie.
You'll make it so long, can't nobody use it.